Catch, it's the call. Oh, McCallum!
दिल बन जाए पत्थर का न इसमें कोई हलचल हो सनम पे इश्क पे हाँ मिटा दूं हाय वे सारी दुनिया गाती मैं वे तू नहीं तकदा मैनू मेरा इश्क है तू ना पता तेनू मैं तेरे अगे पीछे ना तके मैनू मेरा इश्क है तू ना पता तेनू मैं तेरे अगे
I've been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. I've been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. All my brothers got the gas and they always smoking like a rock star. Fucking when we call up on the Uzi and show.
Yeah, Mitchell Stark. Hello. That's the way to do it, really, isn't it? I mean, come on, HD, give us your take on this. You've just been doing a little bit of lip reading here.
Well, firstly, it's a brave delivery with fine leg up in the ring. Attempts a little bit of intimidation, not working for the big fella. This is his home.
No, this is not good. This is a flashpoint that is just not good. It's been simmering under the surface here at the Wankhede Stadium, and that is not what you want to see on any cricket field. Pollard pulled away. There were words the previous delivery, and Pollard told him to get on with it with his glove, with his hand. It was a gesture with his hand. Umpires have really got to take control here.
Yeah, they do. It's not a great sign for the game, but it just shows that both teams mean business tonight. They both want to win. Myron Pollard probably in the form of his life for tonight's game, and Mitchell Stark just proves that Myron Pollard's a big key player for the Mumbai Indians.
And those who think it doesn't mean much to them, you're very much mistaken.
It's a 50 partnership between Sharma and Pollard. Now just watch here, Mitchell Stark's come and Pollard's walked away, and then Stark follows him. That's pretty bad. I think he pulled out of the real throw, the real general throw. That would have gone straight at Mitchell Stark. Well, that's the best way to answer. Deal with the bat the proper way. 17 gone. It's 139 for 4.
Yeah, it's a real danger when you come around the wicket though. You come around the wicket, the angle, you just...
दिल मौजूद भी है गोलियां भी बारूद भी है इस जान की हद से
faster. Stop it, it's okay, leave it like a bit harder, a bit harder.
Free hit again.
I'm a rider,
Smashed it.
bring the
He
heat,
smashed it
yeah,
right
I'll
up.
be the fire.
Wow, that's
My
right on
name
top of
keeps
the
going
ring.
up,
Now the
rider.
ball in the
So
goal
much
post.
of
Right
this,
in the
I'm
goal
going for the
post.
show.
करो शुक्र खुदा